Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Curliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is color red. Next week's theme will be Cottage Cutz. So that's anything from scrapping cottage that you have, you may go ahead and create with it. And then I'm just going to jump right in. So this week I am using the Nested Wacky Stitch Square set from Scrappin' Cottage. I'm also using the Jam Packed, I think that's the name of this stamp set from Whimsy. I'm using this little image right there. And this is an older tag from My Creative Time, so you won't be able to pick this up. But I am using Teeny Tag Greetings for the stamp. I'm also using the layer banner dies, and this is retired as well from My Creative Time. And then also from We Are Memory Keepers, I'm using the nested square dies. Before I share this, I do also want to say that we enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And I'll have the ladies' links down below. So this week, like I said, was color red. And this is what I did. I thought it was really cute. I colored it up with, let me show you those markers. I used the Creative Expert alcohol markers, and I just picked that up at Ross. And so I like using the colored markers, and I don't have to go through all the red. And they have quite a bit of a selection of colors, but that's what I used, and I was happy to use those. And I colored them both up. This is the one I actually did first. And then sad thing is that I was going to stamp both of them out like that, but I messed up behind there, so I had to cover that up. But no mistakes in crafting. We can always correct it. But anyways, I like how that turned out. I did heat emboss it, if you can tell. And I just tried to blend all my colors, and hopefully they looked as if I blended some of them anyways. I thought it turned out really cute. There goes the inside. And then I thought I always stamp out two. And this one stamped a little blurred. But I wanted to see how the coloring was going to look, so I always stamp out two. If the coloring is good, I still try and save the card, even though I over embossed it on this. But it still turned out really cute. And this one says birthday wishes, that one says celebrate. And those are from the stamps are from My Creative Time. It's an older set. But anyways, that's what I created. So if you have the chance, make sure you create something red for this week. And remember, next week's theme will be Cottage Cutz dies or stamps or whatever you have that's from their collection. And that's about it. So thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.